Hey guys, Gabe from Donley Ford here. I have a new segment called Tech Tuesday where we go over frequently asked questions on technology on our vehicles. This is our 2023 Escape Platinum. Today I'm going to demonstrate what the auto hold feature does and when you can use it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to turn our auto hold on. That's the button right here with the hand symbol. You'll put it in drive. And then once it's in drive, if you want to come over here, it shows that there's a green hand showing it's the auto hold feature right there. Once I take my foot off the brake, the vehicle will hold itself there until you press the gas. So again, the vehicle is in drive with the auto hold feature. What you could use this feature for is if you have something in the back you need to grab real quick without putting the car in park, stop and go traffic on the freeway, or if you're in a drive-through. If you guys have any other questions on any of the technology in these vehicles, we're always more than happy to help. Either give us a call or stop in. We'd be more than happy to assist you.